Nothing quite like a nice fun day out on the water. But sometimes that fun day can go wrong. What is our dude doing? So he's gotten into the water for some reason. I don't know, maybe the ski's not starting? But where is he going? Why wouldn't he just swim back toward the ramp? Instead, he's swimming it deeper. I am definitely confused by what's going on here right now. So he's getting a little help, and our guy, I guess, is going to try and take him around his boat, which is probably a smart idea. I would try and keep the ski away from my boat as well. So he's going to try and push him out around to the end of the dock, but like I said, for me, I would have just probably walked this thing right back up the ramp. Man, I don't know what he's doing. So he's going to swim it over toward the dock. And the tide's not in a good spot for him to try and get up the dock. Obviously, you can tell the dock's significantly higher than he is right now. So he's going to have to get back on this ski. Or swim it around. But he just looks confused. As confused as I feel watching this right now. So he's kind of eyeballing it. I'm assuming we're going to try and get back on this ski. And we're swimming it away from the dock, so maybe it wasn't a starting issue. I'm assuming if he's swimming away from the dock, he believes he can get this thing started. And he is going to get out of here. And that didn't sound good. Our guy went and tried to go into gear, and I heard gears grinding. And he's looking back at the motor. Our guy must be having some sort of issue. And he's going to approach 6, it looks like. But I think he's stuck in reverse now. Oh, careful, Cap. They are definitely having some sort of mechanical trouble. We've got a guy here on the end of the dock on 6, though, that looks like they might be able to help him out a little bit. But he's having trouble. Oh, we go for the toss and the miss. Don't go for a swim, bro. And I'm not sure that line's long enough. But it looks like our guy's having trouble getting back and forth between reverse and forward gear. So he's got it in forward gear now. But look, you can see he's fighting. He's struggling trying to get it back into neutral. And there we go. We're going to get the assist from the jet ski. So the line wasn't quite long enough to make it to the dock. And our ski grabs the line and is doing everything he can in his power to try and pull these guys over. And he's got him moving in the right direction. Now he's close enough now, he might be able to toss this up onto the dock. But he's going to hand it back to the boat. And these guys should be able to get it put up from here. And our crew's making their approach down here at 79th Street. And it looks like they're going to take a shot at 5, but there's a ski coming out of 5. The ski's not even paying attention. The boat's not really either. He's got a brake check, and he looks like he's struggling on getting this boat in and out of gear as well. And he's going to come in on 5, but close call with the ski, but they did miss. And yeah, man, it looks the same deal. They're having trouble, but he's got a guy on the bow of the boat, and this guy should be able to get this one up there, though. I don't think you meant to do this. Our dude left the ski running down here, and now the line's pulled tight. He can't get it off. He's going to have to kill the motor. There we go, bro. But that's definitely not one thing you want to do. And we're heading toward 5. But it's a race to see who's going to get there first because somebody's trying to dock block them. And our guy's just going to back on down, even though they were heading into it as well. It was a close call as to who was here first. So these guys had already started making their approach when I saw the truck come by, but what are you going to do? Our crew's going to back it off over to 4. Cap's going to have to give us a bump of forward gear here to kind of get this one lined up. And there we go. We got somebody off and on the dock. And they're going to go get the truck. And Cap's going to give his dock blocker the stare down, it appears. Another busy day here at 79th. Everybody's kind of waiting around. This crew just launched. I'm assuming they're waiting for somebody else on the dock. But lots of skis and boats coming in behind them. Just chaos down here at the ramp at 79th sometimes. Horns honking. Everybody getting a little frustrated down at the ramp. Oh, and this ski's just coming in a little fast. Oh, he's going to get busted. I don't know if you guys heard it, but the cops were yelling at him to slow down, and now the blue lights are on. So everybody's definitely going to get out of their way here. But that ski came in through the no-wake zone and just didn't notice the police boat was behind him. Now, that's no excuse. If it's a no-wake zone, you shouldn't be doing it to begin with. I would agree with that. But, man, oh, man. When we've got our officers getting off the boat with his ticket book in hand, that is probably not good for the crew on the ski. And as projected, it was not good for our crew on the ski. It definitely appears somebody's getting a ticket for running through a no-wake zone. We see it all the time down here, though, too, at 79th. It's kind of wild to see how fast so many people come in and out of here that I hope to God we never see it, but somebody's going to get hurt one day with people coming in here and just completely ignoring that no-wake zone. But officers going to get their ticket written and let these guys get out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where Man and Machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.